How to check video views on Facebook. Hello everybody, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I will be showing you guys how to check the views on your Facebook video. But before we get started, I want you to head down below to give this video a quick thumbs up and hit the subscribe button as well. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open up your Facebook app and make sure that you are logged into your account. So, in general, to see your video views, first thing that you need to do is tap on your profile icon at the top right corner and just head over to your profile. Now, from here, you just want to find out which video you want to check your views on. So, I'm just going to scroll down and let's say I want to check views on this video right here. So, if you scroll down here, you will see how many views the video has. So as you can see, this video has 81 views. On the bottom right corner, you can see it. And on this video, it has 20 views. Similarly, if you want to check video views for some other account, you can just go ahead and check that account. And then as you can see, this video right here has 1.4 million views. And similarly, if you scroll down, you'll see this has 33 million views and so on. So that's how you easily check the views on your Facebook video. If you found this helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.